to take our Denny's list of stores here, and we are going to develop a little market analysis, clicking the market analysis button, going right to that first search data from multiple locations option. We're going to choose our Denny's locations out of all of our data, and we're going to just say, I want a 15-mile radius that I'm going to search around each of those stores. I'm not going to check the box that puts the circle around it, because that would limit the amount of stores I can do an analysis, and I might want to do it nationwide for greater than 200 stores. So then I'll name that, we'll call it XYZ territory, for lack of a better name. And that will put a ring around, sort of an invisible ring around those stores, and give me all of those zip codes that might be pertinent for that search. So this then becomes the XYZ territory, and it would be nationwide if you did it for the whole nation. And now you can see we've got some demographic data we've already added to this analysis, and I can pick to do more or less. I can add more or less. I can find my demographic data and then add information. And you can see that in this data, we have income that's in layers, and we have ages that are in layers. So these are segmented data sets. But we've also got the number of households for 2017, which I can bring over. So we'll set that as our analysis here. And if we wanted more, if we wanted to combine some of those layers, then I can go here to Map and Data, choose my edit gear, go down to Manage Data Columns, and create a new data column, which will then give me the ability to name it. So we'll call that Combined Ages. And let's find our ages here. There's incomes, but I want ages. So now I'm going to just use number as my format, because it's just going to be numbers. And I'm interested in kids that might go to Denny's and spend a lot of money. And so maybe it's that age group. And I bring them all over. And you can see I can multiply and divide by something down below if I want to. But let's not get that complicated. Let's just add that as a combined ages calculated data column in Map Business Online. Close that. And now go back to our territory analysis and add more data. And in the dropdown, look for calculated data columns, combine ages, bring those over, set the data columns. So now we know all of those ages of kids combined would total, down here, we'll go combine ages, would total 744,348 all across my blue area for that particular territory. And so your market analysis now has some demographic data and some combined demographic data that can help you make some decisions based on the areas that you're interested in selling and marketing to. Using Map Business Online, that's one way to conduct some marketing analysis.